Competition is another type of population interaction. As you know, in competition, it's interaction between two species where both the species will get harmed because the competition will be for the common resource. I can give one example. It's from South American lake. In South American lake, shallow lakes of South America, in that lake, you know that lake is rich with zooplankton. It's rich with zooplankton, and it's a food for the fishes living in that lake. We call resident fishes, local fishes living in that lake. For them, this is the food. What happens? The flamingos, the bird flamingos visit there, and even they feed on this zooplankton. So both of them compete for the same resource. And if they compete continuously, when they start eating for the zooplankton continuously, one day zooplankton will get vanished and both will be at loss. So thus, in case of competition, both the species will be at loss. This is one thing. Second one, it also depends on feeding efficiency of that particular species. What is that? Now see, an experiment was conducted. You know that Abingdon tortoise is a large shaped tortoise which were living in Galapagos Island. And the food of this tortoise is, they are herbivores. They eat herbs and small plant, the leaves and all that. It is their food. What the scientists did for an experiment, they introduced goats. On this island. Now the food of goat is also same. Resource is same now for tortoise and the goats. But we know that the efficiency of goat is much more when compared to tortoise. Tortoise, its movement is slow. As a result, within a decade, within 10 years, all the Abingdon tortoise extinct from that area. Why? Because goats were able, compared to tortoise, in order to gather that food, though the food was common for both. So thus it shows that during competition, the feeding efficiency of particular species counts a lot. Now, there is one principle we called as Gauss competitive exclusion principle. Gauss competitive exclusion principle. What is this? The principle is like this. When two related species compete for the same resources, they cannot coexist, means they cannot live together indefinitely, and the competitively inferior one will get eliminated eventually. It's true. One which is poor in giving competition will get eliminated. This is called as Gauss competitive exclusion principle. So this is all about the population interaction of competition.